Hi, I'm Curtis Bottis and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel, we've covered a lot of topics with regards to cryptocurrencies and recently Forex. But in today's video, I want to talk more about the banking and basically investing in the banking. So I want to talk about a type of investment all South African investors should have if you typing it or diversifying your portfolio in South Africa. So if you're new to the channel, as always, make sure to subscribe. And also make sure to leave a like on this video and comment any other topics with regards to any other specific thing you want to learn on this channel. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So today I want to talk about TFSA, or also known for tax-free savings account. So the tax-free savings account is you basically open an account. It's similar to a normal savings account, but the difference is this account, like the word says, it's tax-free. So all the interest you gain from this account is basically tax-free. So the TSAF account was introduced in South Africa in 2015, and it allows investors to contribute 36,000 per year and gain interest on this account basically. So I'll just go over, for example, examples of tax-free accounts in South Africa and the best possible ones and the do's and don'ts with the account. So with that said, let's get right into it. So firstly, there is three types of TSFAs, which is cash-based. The second one is trust, unit trust, and the third one is basically a tax-free that allows you to invest into ETFs and earn dividends. So the cash-based is basically like a normal savings account where you just invest, like for example in ABSA or Capitec or any of the institutions in South Africa, and basically deposit up to 36,000 per year. You can't deposit more than 36,000 per year, and basically into any of those accounts, which is a any cash-based one. The second one is the unit trust. This is like, for example, with Allen Gray, where you invest in unit trust, but this ones are more, a little bit more high management fees with regards to unit trust. And the third one is investing in ETFs. This is offered by, so far I've known, this is offered by Easy Equities. So you're allowed to invest into any SATX company ETFs and basically with your tax-free account and earn dividends onto that. So personally for me, I have the cash-based one, but this was not my choice. This was done for me. So a good rule of thumb is tax-free is basically should be done as soon as possible, because like for example 36,000 you're allowed to contribute each year. So to get to the threshold of 500,000, which is the maximum for this account, it would take you around 11 years to do. So the best practice is to open it tax-free as soon as possible. And the minimum to basically start tax-free is basically there is no minimum requirements. So you only allowed as soon as you can start it tax-free is the best, because the younger you are, the sooner you'll get to that 500, which is non-taxable. So the do's and don'ts. What a tax-free, the do's is to, like I said, is start as soon as possible to open an account with any institution. The don'ts is don't withdraw money from this account. Withdraw money from any other specific account, but don't withdraw money, because if you take, for example, if you deposited 30,000 into the gas for the year and you withdraw 4,000 from that, that means you already reach your quota. You're not allowed to contribute the rest that you took out. So don't withdraw money from this tax-free. You are allowed to transfer tax-free. You are allowed to transfer money from one TSF to another, but you're not allowed to contribute more than the 36,000 per year. So for me personally, like I said, I have the cash-based, but the best tax-free basically is to invest in ETFs, because this allows you to still, on top of the normal 36,000 contribution per year, you still earn dividends. So I'm looking to change that. Like I said, the one IF was not my choice. It was done by my parents. So I had to basically still done this, and I've contributed to this over the years since I've started working to my tax-free one. So I was basically in, I think in matric or grade 11 or 12 when my parents started to create this tax-free for me. But I think the youngest age for it tax-free is 13 years old. So 13 years old is the youngest any South African can have to open a tax-free. So let's just go over any of the other ones like we see some today. So the minimum age requirement, like I said, is 13 in South Africa. What are the top tax-free savings account in South Africa? As we can see, what are tax-free savings accounts in South Africa? What is the difference between a normal bank? One of the biggest differences is speed and level of growth of your investment. The tax-free, this is the normal, I think, normal banking one. So Standard Bank on this website, it's the best cash-based one. We've got TFSA, which is the one I'm with, which is the second. As you can see, able to invest 36,000 per year, cuts off at 500,000, like we mentioned all the details. Now, Nedbank is the third, Old Mutual is the fourth, African Bank is the fifth, Capitec tax-free, 91 Allen Gray, so this is the based on unit trust. Yeah, we got this, and then Easy Equities is tax-free saving accounts on this. So I think this is based on that. So we just have another source of information. As we can see here, this was updated to the Jan 2023, so it's starting off this year. We're towards the end of the year. Hope everyone's having a good festive season and basically trying to diversify the portfolio for 2024. So you can see the TFSA is offering ETFs. So this one are the ones offering ETFs is Easy Equities, Syntax, and I'm not sure of that one. This one with unit trust is Allen Gray, Net Group Investments. So there is a lot of more information with regards to this. Which TFSA is the cheapest? I'm obviously going to link this down below if you want to read more into this. So you can see which TFSA has the best admin and Easy Equities. And so this was one in regards to ETFs. So from a personal point of view, I would recommend all South Africans to open a tax-free savings account. So if you don't necessarily have to contribute 36,000 each year to it, for example, you just open it, and if you are able to contribute at least 4 to 5 a year, that will still help towards getting to the 500,000 max for a specific account. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Until next time, peace out.